How to fix Share My Location Unavailable on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix Share My Location Unavailable on iPhone. Sometimes when you try to share your location on iPhone, you may see the message, Share My Location Unavailable. This usually happens if location services are turned off, if Find My isn't set up properly, or if restrictions are blocking location sharing. You can fix this by checking a few settings on your iPhone. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Here, tap on Location Services. Now make sure the toggle for Location Services is turned on, so your iPhone can share your location. After that, go back and tap on Apps from the settings list. Now search for Find My and tap on it. Here, tap on Location. Now select the option while using the app. Also, make sure the toggle for precise location is enabled, so your exact location can be shared. Next, go back to settings again and search for Find My. Then tap on it. Here, tap on Find My once more. Now tap on Find My iPhone. Turn the toggle on for Find My iPhone. Here, enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Once done, go back and also turn the toggle on for Send Last Location. Then make sure the option for Find My Network is also enabled. Now go back to settings and tap on Screen Time. Here, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Finally, turn the toggle off for content and privacy restrictions, because sometimes these settings can block location sharing. Now your iPhone should allow you to use Share My Location without showing unavailable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.